the space will, in its update, will become not only more inclusive of every student in the student body and every performer that wishes to step on our stage, but it will also allow for more access. At the moment, there are spaces in our auditorium that students can use, but they don't really, because it's not very comfortable. Specifically, I'm talking about the catwalk. The catwalk will be made up so that it's a lot more accessible to students. At the moment, students don't like going up there because they literally have to crawl along the catwalk. Catwalk is an affectionate term. Walking does not happen much up there, but they have to crawl along the catwalk because there are beams that happen every 8 feet, right at their waist level. In the renovation project, those beams will be removed because the beams are there to hold up the clouds. The clouds are disappearing, so then will the beams, and the catwalk then becomes more accessible. So Tormentor bars are currently bars for hanging lights on either side of the auditorium. At the moment, these Tormentor bars are no longer accessible by any modern equipment. We figured out exactly how they were accessible early on, using ladders that are now considered completely unsafe for human beings. So we no longer possess those, which means we no longer have access to the Tormentor bars. There are currently 12 instruments up there that I have not really touched at all because I have no way of getting to them. Those Tormentor bars will, in the renovation project, become accessible through ladders that descend from our catwalk. Ladders and a platform. Once it's there, then it provides a safe place for a person to stand while servicing all 6 of these instruments.